Hey guys, thanks for joining me out here on the lovely patio at Groovy Plants Ranch. Today I am making some pizza for the staff. With that, I was going to take the opportunity to teach you how to make a simple tomato sauce. We're going to start off with San Marzano tomatoes. I've taken the liberty of already blanching these, and what you do there is you'll get a pot of boiling water, you'll cut crosses in the bottoms of your tomato, and you'll boil those for around 30 to 60 seconds until you start to see the skin wrinkle. Then after that, you'll have an ice bath set up. You'll then transfer the tomatoes into the ice bath, wait another 30 seconds, and what you'll have here is an easy peelable tomato. And we want those tomato skins off so that our sauce is nice and smooth when it goes on our pie. And this is a Neapolitan-style pizza here. So we want to be able to taste these really good ingredients. And what better way than using San Marzano tomatoes? And we'll get all of those peeled back, and then I'll show you the next step. We have our tomatoes skinned, and for this it's super simple. I have about 7 here, and for that we're going to add liberal amounts of salt, Maldon sea salt. Then we'll also go in with a couple nice glugs of olive oil. We're going to get in here and literally get our hands dirty. This is Nonna style, you know, your Italian grandmother style. You're going to get in here, you're just going to have some fun with it, and you're just going to mash those up. And we're looking for a nice consistency, a nice saucy paste consistency. Don't be scared to take out a little bit of that gardening aggression, and you'll start to see it break down. And this is with very little work. Now you could take this a step further and use a food processor if you'd like. But right now we're at a pretty decent consistency, and I want these chunks of tomato to be on the pizza as well, to not only add flavor but to add texture. We're gonna stop here. This is a great consistency for what I want this pizza to be. After we finish up here, we'll bounce on over and I'll show you guys the magic. Right. So we've went ahead and done a 3-day fermentation on our pizza dough. We're just gonna get this in some 00 pizza flour. Get a little bench flour out here, and we're gonna work our dough. Remember to work your way to the outside edges because we still want a nice crust. Spent all that time making this really good dough. We wanna be able to taste it. We're gonna get our pizza prepared. We're gonna use those beautiful San Marzanos, and I'll show you guys exactly how to make your backyard pizza. Okay, so we're just gonna work our way out to the edges. We're gonna work our dough. You know, this is where you get to have a little bit of fun. This is gonna be a perfect vessel for that awesome tomato sauce that we just made. Okay, we got our dough stretched out here, and we've got our wonderful San Marzano tomato sauce. We're gonna come in here and we're just gonna ladle a little bit of that on. We got those nice chunky tomatoes. That salt's gonna shine through and enhance that tomato flavor. The olive oil is gonna lend itself really well to this. Then from here, we're just gonna take a little bit of our pecorino-parm blend. We're gonna load that base up. And we're gonna come in with our provolone mozzarella blend. Again, we got our beautiful pizza made, our pizza sauce. We're just gonna toss that on the peel, and then we're gonna go straight into the oven. And all we have to do now is wait. All right, it's been a couple of minutes. Let's check on our pie. You know, the fire does most of the work for you here. Ooh, yeah. Let's go over here and finish this off with some nice herbs and cut this up for the crew. So let's get this guy topped off here. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more of that pecorino-parm blend. We got some nice dried oregano that we dried. And then we have some really nice basil varieties here at the ranch. We're just gonna hit that basil on there post-bake. As we finish up our pie here, and people are smelling the fire and the pizza throughout the ranch, I'm gonna call over a couple of the co-workers and let's get them fed.
All right. Freak you out?
Yeah. That's hot.
Wow.
I I was gonna warn you, but you know, we didn't get to that point.